what I did start to think about and investigate was this thing with the context of public artworks, that they are often made for one certain place, like this nollan. I mean, it's made for streaming water in a fantastic place, and then it's relocated to a pond with no running water and mostly ducks seeing it. And I mean, that one was really an example of an artwork that was made for a special occasion and for a special place. And then it's relocated, and what happens with it? I don't answer these questions. I just want to make the questions. What happens to them when they lose their context? Do they get a new context? And in this case, I also heard someone say that maybe they are moved to make this park more interesting, and does that work? And yeah, I read about this work that's called nedgrävning, burying. That is a 1 cubic meter concrete. It's a cube made of concrete, and it's painted white, and it's buried in Picasso-parken by an artist named Harald Persson, and it was done in 1994. And at first it was just it was buried there, and it was no sign or anything marked it. There was a documentation you could see. And then in 2012, I think, the municipality of Halmstad decided to mark the artwork. So now it's marked like this. It has this metal thing with a sign on, and it's kind of a part of the official public artworks of Halmstad. So then I decided that I will move it. I will relocate this nedgrävning, burying. And this is the place where it's moved to. Monday we were placing it into this. I've been digging this hole, and there is on the website there is a documentation of the actual burying, so you can see that. So you can say that it's a performative work in a way. It's a future scenario. What will happen when or if it has to be relocated